tricks. Here's the dippy type thing. Rock, step, boom, boom, with these drags, and you can't follow it. The idea here was to stay really close. Boom, boom, and I sit back on this one, and then instead of trying to push my partner up, I rotate and stand on my right leg. That puts my follower right back up. We can rock, step, and dance together. Here's our timing. Rock, step, boom, 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 bam. Maybe just 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, that's it. And then we did some Charleston stuff. Here's the fancy version. Boom, tap, boom, 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 whap, hop, boom, bam. And then the simple version is much more doable. Hey, hop, 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 and rock, kick, and rock, step, and you might not cross over, that's all good. Then we did the old baby doll drop. Rock, step, triple, triple.